we don't catch anything, man, we got dinner. But it is, yeah, I catch 300-pound sharks on these rods. Real, it's not made usually. I'll use like my silver one up there. That's 2-speed. It got 60-pound line and it has like 3,000 feet of like 60-pound braid underneath. So wow. You know what the world record on this fish is? 9 pounds. The world record on that fish.
Beeliner?
Beeliner, yep. We can have a lot of them.
Then I think I know what I'm doing. We're gonna catch something.
Look at them empty hooks.
And on the next rod,
No baits? No baits, no fish?
we go halfway.
No baits, no fish?
You know that?
I did not know
What's
that.
up, channel?
What's up?
This is a camera guy. He's not behind the camera this time.
He's getting to enjoy the times as a guy, a part of the group, man.
Yes, sir.
Hey, hey, boy Charlie! Boy Charlie, got him a beeliner.
You got to feed them.
I got a rat nest too.
Alright.
Okay.
That's a big. Oh, it came off, dude.
Ah! You got us some remora, bro. One of them shark suckers. There's got one there, bud. Charlie, you got to easy now, Get him in there, bud. Good one. There you go, filler. Yeah, he's coming at you, ain't he? Oh, here you go. Leave it. That's a triggerfish. Grab your weight for him. Here you go. Triggerfish. Here you go. New species.
Fish again.
Yeah.
Hey, we got some lips, boy.
Wow. I got the camera for this. That's freaking crazy.
Damn.
How that feel?
That's pretty tough.
Yeah.
They're picky. They're like people, man. They like different baits.
What a stud of a specimen. You just get good on my legs, man. I'm getting that bicep, Bob.
I know it, man.
What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching. This video is a little different, obviously, as you can see. We got to, we as in me and Sarah, took the time and took everybody that could down to the beach. We had the wonderful opportunity to be able to give back to our guys that have give back so hard for us. They go so hard all year long. And I know a lot of companies don't do this, but this fishing trip, this is our second annual trip down to Gulf Shores in general, but our second time with Eagle Express Charters, man. They're Captain Doug, Fisher, man, they're awesome people. We got out there on the boat with them, and we went, I think, 46 miles offshore at one point. About the time me and Will almost crashed the drone getting that footage for you guys, but it was so worth it to have. The day to me truly was something special. I'll remember for a long time, especially the people that were there. Very core and important people to our operation every day, from ditch hands to project managers. The smiles on their faces say it all when Ishmael was catching doubles and Bill caught an amberjack that was, I wasn't actually back there, but we were flying the drone and we flew it right up on him as he was releasing. It was so cool. Amberjack wasn't in season. That's why we couldn't keep it. We caught 116 beeliners or vermilion snapper, couple white snapper, couple triggerfish, and caught a couple sharks. Man, it was just an absolute wonderful day. These guys truly deserved not just this fishing trip, but the whole beach trip in general. the morale. You can tell as soon as you come back from a trip like that, if they can go down there and not fist fight over 3 days, beer drinking, have a good time, they can come back and put pipe in the ground pretty well. That's kind of how I always thought about it. Took them down there. We golfed. We fished. We sat on the beach. We drank some adult beverages. And we truly had a great time. And I want to say thank you to each and every single person that was on that boat and who wasn't on that boat. There's some guys that just couldn't make it. And we had a couple of people around the shop as well. And the smiles on their faces was something that was absolutely contagious. I don't think I saw anybody not smiling. And on our way in, I got to tell on these boys just real quick. So the night before, I said, make sure we got the coolers packed full of food. We're going on a 12-hour adventure, guys. We better have all the food and the water and the drinks. Oh, yeah. Show up the next day. Old daddy going around knocking on doors everywhere and trying to get everybody up and around. And I packed the coolers. Well, I also said, hey, grab a couple extra cases of water. Nobody seemed to grab a couple extra cases of water. So we were slightly parched past about 2:30, and the ride in was slightly dry. But other than that, the guys were completely wore out. I mean, reeling all them fishing was so much fun, but extremely tiring, of course. Anyways, the golf was so much fun. The escape room was so much fun. To come back and see the morale and the trajectory of the guys gelling together and working together is exactly why me and Sarah pour back into these guys the way we do. If you guys don't mind, dropping a like. If you haven't, subscribe. There's a ton more content, excavation and utility content. If that's some stuff that you like seeing, drop that sub. Hey, and also too, if you guys haven't, go check out our podcast, Blue Collar Business, where we talked to some of the guys that were on this trip last episode. So, guys, I appreciate your support. Trying to throw you guys a little bit different video at you. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll catch you next time. Be safe. Be kind.